Let's learn D.H.S.S, delicious, hot, strong, sweet. It's choreographed by Gaye Teather. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner hustle with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn D.H.S.S. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to walk forward, right, and you're going to touch your left toe to the left side. We're now going to walk back, left, and touch your right toe to the right side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do cross touches. So you're going to cross your right over your left, touch your left toe to the left side. Cross your left over your right, touch your right toe to the right side. We're now going to weave, cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, and step your left foot to the left side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your cross touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to cross rock our right over our left. Recover back onto your left foot. We're going to chasse to the right, step your right side, left together, right side. Cross rock your left over your right. Recover back onto your right foot and chasse to the left, stepping left side, right together, left side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your cross rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to cross our right over our left. Step back with your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, chasseing to the right, stepping right, side, left together, right side to face 3 o'clock. You're now going to rock forward with your left, recover back onto your right, and we're going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. And that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, crossing over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Starting with your walk forward, walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch, touch, weave, cross, rock, chasse, cross, rock, chasse, cross, backward, chasse, rock, recover, coaster step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your walks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left, starting with your walk. Walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch, touch, weave, cross, rock, chasse, cross, rock, chasse, cross, backward, chasse, rock, recover, coaster step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch, touch, weave, cross, rock, chasse, cross, rock, chasse, cross, backward, chasse, rock, recover, coaster step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn D.H.S.S. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.